coaster at SeaWorld Orlando. Cool little dark ride scene to start. Yeah, I wasn't expecting the theme to be as good as this ride. Especially since it's uphill. So you probably can hear that shuffle. It sounds worse than it is. It's actually not that rough. That's not a major thrill coaster, but this is exactly what this park needed. They needed a nice low height limit family coaster, and this fits the bill. It seemed very popular with families and kids, so definitely support the addition. Yeah, and like I said, I really enjoy the theming on this ride. I wasn't expecting it to have as elaborate of a dark ride section, especially with somehow the recent coasters have been themed, but yeah, this is a solid little ride.